Hello everyone, hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are about to discuss some important questions related to the banking aptitude. So let's get started. The first question belongs to the simple interest. The simple interest received when a sum of money is invested in scheme A is same as a simple interest received when the same sum of money is invested in scheme B. The rate of interest offered by scheme A is 25% per annum and that offered by scheme B is 20% per annum. If the money is invested in scheme B for 2 years more than the time period for which it is invested in scheme A, what is the time period invested in scheme A? The question they are asking is the simple interest received for scheme A and scheme B is same, but the rate of interest are different. For scheme A, the rate of interest is 25% per annum, and for scheme B, the rate of interest is 20% per annum. In both the cases, the principal is same, but the time period is different. How much different? The time period in scheme B is 2 years more than the time period of scheme A, and they are asking to identify the time period of scheme A. So let's go with the solution to understand it. Here it is given, we know the famous formula, simple interest formula is PTR by 100, principal into time into rate by 100. So in both the cases the PTR by 100, the interest is same, that's why we have put equal. Next, in both the cases the principal is same, we are assuming the principal as P, so P and time period is X. We don't know the time period of scheme A, that is X, and the time period in scheme B is X plus 2 years, it is given. Next, the time period, the rate of interest is 25% per annum in scheme A, and time period and rate of interest in scheme B is 20% per annum. So on cancellation we get PP gets cancelled, 4 5s are 5 5s are 5 4s are 20. Next 100 gets cancelled. Later 5x equal to 4x plus 8. Therefore x equal to 8 years. What is x? X is the time period of scheme A. That means the time period is 8 years. Option B is the right answer. Next, moving to the second question. Shyam, it is related to the profit or loss section. Shyam sold his guitar at rupees 8,250 rupees, thereby making a profit of 110%. Okay, 110%, 10%. At what price should have Shyam sold the guitar to make a profit of 25%? Next, it is clearly given that 110% is 8,250 rupees. Now they have asked to identify the value of 125%. So 125 by 110 into 8,250. 0 gets cancelled. Next 11 table, 11 ones, 11 sevens, 11 fives. Don't multiply this 125 into 75. It eats away our time, it wastes our time. So what we have to do is just multiply the units digit. What we get, 5 into 5, 25. That means in the options we have to check for the 5 option, which is, how many options are there with the units plate digit 5? There are 2 options, option D and option C. Next, don't multiply 125 into 75, just multiply with 120 into 75. That will be easy. 75 2s are 150, 75 1s are 75, 90. That means if we multiply with 120, we get 9,000 rupees. If we multiply with 125, the answer will be more than 9,000 rupees. So it is clear that our answer should be more than 9,000 rupees and units place must be 5. That is only, there is only one option, that is 9375, whereas this option is less than 9,000. 9,375 is the right answer, option C. Moving to the third question related to the partnership topic. A, B and C started a business together. The respective ratio of A's investment and B's investment was 5:6, that is A is to B equal to 5:6. The respective ratio of B is to C is 12:17. All of them invested for equal period of time. If at the end of the year B earned, B's share is 2,640 annual profit, what is the total profit earned by them? Next, moving to the solution. A is to B is 5:6, B is to C is 12:17. On converting into the compound interest, multiply this with 2, we get 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Next, therefore we get 10 is to 12 is to 17 as the entire ratio. Next, 12 parts value is given as 2,640. They have asked to identify the total profit, that is 10 plus 12 plus 17 is 39 parts. 39 by 12 into 12,640, 2,640. With 12 table it easily gets cancelled, 220. Don't multiply with 39 into 220, just multiply with 40 into 220. What we get? 8,800. 8,800 we are getting if we multiply with 40, but we should multiply with 39 now, so that's why we have to deduct 220. Therefore, if we deduct that means 8800 less value is 8580 is the right answer. All these are not the right answers. 8580 is the right answer. Moving to the fourth question, the speed of a boat in still water is 10 kmph, that is m equal to 10 kmph. Okay, if it can travel 70 km downstream and 40 to 42 km upstream in the same time, time is same. This is the thing we have to note down. Same time, what is the speed of the upstream? So let's do it. M equal to 10 kmph, time equal to distance by speed, we know it. Upstream and downstream distance is 78 kilometers, the distance by speed is 10 plus s, and upstream distance is 42 kilometers, speed is 10 minus s. Okay, now after all the cancellations we get 70 plus 7s equal to 130 minus 13s, and finally 20s equal to 60, s equal to 3 kmph. Option D is the right answer. Fifth question, Srinu and Srija run from point P to point Q, at a distance of 1200 meters, at 5 meters per second and 4 meters per second. Srinu speed is 5 meters per second and Srija's speed is 4 meters per second. Srinu reaches Q and immediately turns back, meeting Srija at point R. What is the distance from Q to R? Srinu is running from P to Q and again he is returning back, whereas Srija is running slowly and she met Srinu at some point called R. Now we have to identify the distance from Q to R. So let's see. Srinu distance is 1200 plus x. That means this is the entire distance is 1200. Again he is running back for x meters. So 1200 plus x. His speed is, Srinu speed is 5 meters per second. Next, Srija distance. She has covered only this much distance. So this will be 1200 minus x. This is x. This entire distance is 1200. This is x. 1200 minus x. That is Srija distance. Srija speed is 4 meters per second. Next, it is given that both the time is same. So when time is same means distance by speed. Distance is 1200 plus x by 5 and 1200 minus x by 4. This is related to Srinu and this is related to Srija. Therefore we get in 9x equal to 1200 and x equal to 400 by 3 meters. Option C is the right answer. Here in the option A, 400 by 3 kilometers is given, that is wrong. Here the entire thing is running behind the meters, so meters and second. So that's why option C is the right answer. Hope you understood all the questions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.